You want to be successful and you just want to sit at your house is relaxing, waking up 12 o'clock in the day, you never do the last night, accomplish nothing. And you wake up and you how you expect to be successful. It doesn't work like that. Your problem is winner work when no one is watching. Because when winner is winning, everyone is seeing. But when winner is working, no one sees. So winner build a foundation privately, not publicly. But winner win publicly. So you want to be a winner, you have to step your game up. Set the 6-month goal, set the 1-year priority goal, set the 3-month goal, set the 5-year goal, and know where you're going. Listen, this is what I've got to get done for the next year. But I'm going to break it down 6 months, and then when I break it down 6 months, I'm going to break it down in months. And then when I break it down in months, I'm going to break it down in weeks. Then I break it down in days. Because if you do that, you see your goal easier to accomplish. And once you see your goal easier to accomplish, you will put in the work to get it done. You're waking up to move to a next level, get something positive done. You get me? You can't walk around like a little ticking bomb. You get me? You have to sell yourself to yourself. Know that you have the ability to do anything that you want to do. Believe what you want to do and get what you want to do, get done. You owe yourself. No one reach to a successful level in their life without putting work, without fail, without think of giving up. But when you feel like giving up, just remember what is your goal and remember why you do this in the first place. So if you try to accomplish what you want to accomplish and you move to it and it didn't happen in the first time you moved to it, you can't give up. There's no giving up. If you give up at the first time you try at things that you want to be successful in or your goal and you give up, how it's going to work? Maybe it's the time when you give up, that's when it's going to work. So you have to get things done. Stop blaming people. Stop blaming your mother. Stop blaming your father. Stop blaming your rich uncle. Stop blaming your millionaire auntie. Go and get things. How do they achieve their success? They have to put in work. Sit down with successful people. Talk to them and listen. The things that they go through. Get the opportunity to talk to someone that you know successful. And just sit down for your 10-15 minutes and just question them. And then you will really see that they just don't get things like that. It don't even drop from the sky like that. Success is hard work and consistency and keep on mulling and putting in the work. The late nights, the early morning, all of them things that the 100 time reading page, reading books, listening to podcasts, getting motivation and stuff. You have to get it done because you owe you. And once you owe you have to pay back. So for you to be successful, you have to pay what you owe you. That is to do the things that successful people do to become successful. You sit at your house is relaxing, waking up 12 o'clock in the day, and you never do nothing last night, accomplish nothing from last night when you go sleep. And you wake up and lie down in bed, how you expect to be successful? It doesn't work like that. Don't wake up as an accident. You wake up today, you don't have a priority, you don't have no goals, you don't have no dreams. That's an accident. It's like a car without a steering wheel. You just wake up in anything. You need to set goals and have priorities and know that you're waking up to something, you're waking up to get something done. Successful people never stop work. Successful people don't work for money. They work for success. They're addicted to success more than money. We want money. Yes, everyone wants money. You need money to get your necessity and your normal life going and your family and set for your kids, college and university. You need money. But if it's just money that you're working for, you're going to be sad when you finish. So the success of life and successful in what you do and the things that you get done and the things that you accomplish, and when you accomplish it, the feelings that you have and the way that you feel and the accolades and the way how people see you and want to know how you get it done, that's bigger than the money. Jay-Z don't addicted to money. Jay-Z addicted to success. Because once you get successful, money will come. I hear Jay-Z talk that all the time. Jay-Z say he can stop rapping now, but he's not gonna stop rapping because if it's money, he have all the money that he want. He invest in so much business, so much startup and everything. Money is no problem for him right now. But he said success is what he wants. He's addicted to success. Success is the thing that make you feel fulfilled. You see something that you want to get done and it never done, and then you move to your work on it and you feel and you adjust yourself and you get to the level and then you get it done. And when you look at yourself, look at it, I accomplished that. That's a feeling. That's the type of feeling you want. That's the juice. That's the power in human life to get things done. Money is necessity, but success is sweeter than money. The more you're successful is the more you achieve money. So if you keep on worrying too much about money, you reach towards a place where you cut short on your success, you cut corner. So you're not going to be successful for long. If you get successful in this thing and then you start to cut corners, start to go around, you used to make drink and people love your drink and your drink take the market, and then after a certain amount of people start to buy, then you think like, oh, too much expense, we have got cut on the coloring, we have got cut on the sweetening. The rubbish. You need to put more in what you do and do more of what you do, and then success will come. You have to maximize, you have to double up, you have to compound, you have to get things done. So you owe yourself, stop blaming yourself, hold yourself accountable, don't wake up as an accident, think like a winner, sell yourself to yourself and ask for your money back if it doesn't work. So if you set a plan, if you set a goal for 6 months and you don't get it done, hold yourself accountable. So you have to hold yourself accountable for all of what you plan to get done, and you don't get it done. Because you can do it. You can do it. I know you can do it, because if I can do it, Jay-Z can do it, Rihanna can do it, Obama can do it. All of them successful people can do what they plan out to do and get the success that they need in their life in a successful way. You can do it. So hold yourself accountable, and then you will see. So you have to know that you owe yourself. Money is necessity, but success is sweeter than money. The more you're successful is the more you achieve money. So if you keep on worrying too much about money, you reach towards a place where you cut short on your success, you cut corner.